In the wake of India's digital revolution, the banking sector has emerged as a key player in transforming the nation's financial landscape. This transformation isn't just occurring in isolation, it's being fueled by the forward-thinking initiatives of the Indian government, who are striving to make the country a cashless economy. The government is not just dabbling in digitalization, they are diving headfirst into the digital sphere, with a series of strategic initiatives designed to bring banking services to every nook and cranny of this vibrant nation. The goal? To make banking accessible, efficient and inclusive for all of India's 1.3 billion population. A key driver in this digital revolution is the Digital India campaign. This flagship initiative from the government is championing the adoption of digital technologies across all sectors, with a special focus on banking and financial services. By promoting the use of digital technologies, the government aims to transform the way India does business, transacts, and even perceives finance. One of the game changers in this digital revolution has been the Unified Payments Interface, or UPI for short. This innovative digital payment system has transformed the way Indians transact, offering a secure, instant, and interoperable platform for transferring funds, paying bills, and making purchases. All this at the click of a button on their smartphones. But the digital revolution isn't just confined to the bustling cities, it's making waves in the rural and remote areas too. Through initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the government is ensuring that every household in India, no matter how remote, has access to a bank account. This is not just about providing banking services, it's about fostering financial inclusion and empowering millions of Indians. The leaders of this revolution, government officials and banking executives, firmly believe that the widespread adoption of digital banking will boost economic growth, enhance transparency, curb corruption, and improve access to financial services for all. With a series of strategic pushes, the Government of India is paving the way for a digital banking revolution. As India confidently strides into the digital age, the synergy between government initiatives and technological innovation in the banking sector promises to reshape the nation's financial landscape, driving progress and prosperity for all. Under the flagship Digital India campaign, the government is championing the adoption of digital technologies across all sectors, with a special focus on banking and financial services. This endeavour is part of a wider strategy to make India a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. A key component of this digital drive is the banking sector. By encouraging banks to digitize their services, the government is ensuring that banking facilities are accessible to all, regardless of location. One of the most significant contributions to this digital revolution is the Unified Payments Interface, more commonly known as UPI. This ingenious system allows instant money transfer through mobile devices round the clock. UPI has become a game changer in India's banking landscape, enabling everyone from street vendors to large businesses to conduct transactions with ease. UPI has revolutionized the way Indians transact, offering a secure, instant and interoperable platform for transferring funds, paying bills and making purchases. Moreover, the government's push for digital banking extends beyond urban centres, reaching rural and remote areas through initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, or PMJDY. PMJDY is an ambitious endeavour, a testament to the government's commitment to financial inclusion. It was launched with the lofty goal of ensuring access to banking services for all households in India, regardless of their location or economic status. By providing every household with a bank account, the government aims to dispel the shadows of financial exclusion that have long loomed over the rural and remote parts of the country. This initiative has been a game changer in rural India. It has not only brought banking services to the doorsteps of the rural populace, but has also instilled a sense of financial awareness among them. Now, even in the most remote corners of the country, people are aware of the benefits of having a bank account. They understand the importance of saving and are beginning to grasp the concept of digital transactions. As part of PMJDY, individuals are provided with a RuPay debit card, along with an accidental insurance cover of 1 lakh rupees. This serves as a safety net, providing financial security to families who might otherwise be devastated by unforeseen circumstances. Additionally, the introduction of mobile banking through PMJDY has been a boon for those with limited mobility, enabling them to execute transactions and access banking services from the comfort of their homes. Beyond just providing access to banking, PMJDY is fostering a culture of financial inclusion. It is empowering millions of Indians, giving them control over their financial futures and opening up opportunities that were once out of reach. In this way, the digital banking revolution is not just changing the way India banks, but also the way India lives. With each new account opened, a new story of empowerment begins, a story of a more inclusive and prosperous India. PMJDY aims to provide every household in India with access to a bank account, thereby fostering financial inclusion and empowering millions of Indians. In India, the banking sector is a dynamic ecosystem comprising a diverse range of institutions, from public sector giants to nimble private players. Top public sector banks likes of State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, and few from private sectors are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IDFC First, and Yes Bank, to name a few. Government officials and banking leaders alike believe that the widespread adoption of digital banking will not only boost economic growth, but also enhance transparency, curb corruption, and improve access to financial services for all. The impact of this digital transition is expected to be far-reaching and transformative. Economic growth is set to surge as digital banking fosters an environment conducive to investment and entrepreneurship. The ease and convenience of online transactions encourage more people to participate in the economy, leading to increased consumption and, in turn, growth. Transparency is another area set to benefit from digital banking. The shift from cash to digital transactions leaves a traceable footprint, making it easier to track and report financial activities. This increased visibility reduces the room for fraudulent practices and corruption, contributing to a more accountable and transparent financial system. Corruption, a long-standing issue in many sectors, is being tackled head-on through the digitalization of banking. The digital paper trail makes it harder to hide illicit activities, and the ease of digital transactions reduces the need for cash bribes. This shift is expected to contribute significantly to curbing corruption. Most importantly, digital banking is democratizing access to financial services. With a smartphone and internet connection, anyone, anywhere, can access banking services. This inclusivity is particularly impactful for those in rural or remote areas who previously had limited access to financial institutions. In the realm of personal finance, digital banking offers a more straightforward and accessible way to manage money. It's a tool for financial literacy, enabling individuals to better understand and control their finances, leading to more informed decisions and healthier financial habits. As India strides confidently into the digital age, the synergy between government initiatives and technological innovation in the banking sector promises to reshape the nation's financial landscape, driving progress and prosperity for all. This digital revolution in banking is not just about convenience, it's about creating a more inclusive, transparent, and robust financial system for the benefit of all Indians. And that's a transformation worth banking on.